everybody, I'm back again. Can't get rid of me so fast. Today we're going to make what my mother would call in Italian ciambotta, which is a soup of whatever you have in your refrigerator, whatever you like, to put together and make a delicious, healthy soup. Now, because my granddaughter is vegan, I do not put any, there's people that put pancetta or bacon, but I've done it vegan for my granddaughter because I know she'll enjoy it. And we all cut everything up before, ahead of time, but you can use any vegetables. What I have here, and the ingredients will be listed on the video, I have shallots, a vidalia onion, zucchini, potatoes, cabbage, carrots, shallot, 1 clove of garlic. And what I have here, if you look on my video, I don't know which one it is. Jonas, do you know which one the sofrito? Yes. I did make a whole video. This is carrots, celery, and onions and garlic. I mince it, put it in my freezer, and when I need it, I take it. It uses a small can of sauce. You don't have to. I use it for color. I love color when I cook. And I use vegetable broth because of the vegan, but you can use chicken or beef, whatever you like. It also calls for cannellini beans, which I buy the can, and make sure you rinse them because they have a terrible aftertaste if you don't. Rinse them in cold water. I use about a half a cup of fresh lentils. If you buy canned lentils plain, you can put those in also. Salt and pepper, and we start with olive oil. And that's basically your ingredients. Okay, guess what? I think I got fired. My grandchildren are going to do my soup for me because I'm tired. So Jonas, can you put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil, please?
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. And Angela, can you put in the sofrito? And just saute it around, honey. Move it around with the
What
spoon.
heat should the pan be on, Grandma?
Medium. Start with medium, and then as you go along, you'll see to adjust your stove. And everything is cut, so it's very simple. It's just adding things to the pot. And you can add a little salt and pepper, Angela.
Okay.
It's right here. Thank you.
Just a pinch?
Just a pinch. You layer seasonings as you go, and then you taste. If you see it's too salty, you won't add more. And some black pepper, please. Now, we cut all the vegetables beforehand because we had so many. So that's a little bit of a chore, but once you have it all done, just throw everything in the pot. There's nothing else to do. How is it looking, Jonas?
Looks pretty good.
Okay. So now what you can add, honey, is your can of tomato sauce and saute that around. And you add a can of water to that, Angela, remember?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Looking good, Jonas?
Yep.
Okay.
Looks good.
Okay, so now you guys can start putting in your vegetables.
Okay, I'll get the cabbage.
You have more here. And cabbage has a tendency not to cook as good, so I would put it in first like she's doing right now. But since we mixed everything in a bowl, it's kind of hard for the rest.
It just takes a little longer
Yeah,
to cook.
but I would put my cabbage in first because that takes longer to cook. And then add your vegetables as you see fit, all your vegetables. Not yet, honey, not yet for this. Angela is getting potatoes. You know, can you tell what's in there, honey?
There's onions. What'd you say, shallots, girl?
Shallots,
Potatoes.
garlic,
Zucchini.
potatoes.
Oops. Okay, just do this.
Wow, that's a lot of soup. I hope you guys like soup.
Definitely. We're going to eat it all.
Okay, they've added everything in the soup except the cannellini beans and the lentils. I usually do those last. So now, you don't have to buy broth. You can just put water. But I always like that extra flavor. So I purchased vegetable broth. So they're going to put this in, Cover with water. In other words, if this doesn't amount to the water you need, you might have to use another 2 cups, 3 cups, whatever it takes to cover the top of the soup. It has to cook, and it has to all be liquid. And then they're going to order the half a cup of lentils, which are raw. You can use, like I said, if you have canned lentils at home that are plain, you can throw in a can of lentils, and cannellini beans out of a can. Okay, and your soup is basically done. You're going to cover it, wait for it to come to a rapid boil, and then lower it on medium. It should take about an hour, but everybody's different. Some people like softer vegetables, some people don't. So it's upon your taste. You know, taste it, and then also for seasoning, as you're cooking it, take a little bit of broth out. You might need more salt, you might need more pepper, according to seasoning. Okay, my grandchildren are now going to put the last ingredients in, which is the vegetable broth, plus added water, cannellini beans, and the lentils. They're going to throw everything in there. They're going to put it on a higher flame, wait for it to boil up, and then cover. And it'll cook, and that's when your cooking is. And see how much water you need, please.
Probably a lot more.
Need a lot more water.
Yeah.
You might get a bigger pot, honey. Use the silver pot you could put.
Okay.
Is it covered, Jonas?
Almost. One more bowl. Or maybe 2 more.
And you probably needed more salt. I didn't see that much, but
Yeah, I can put some more.
yeah.
You think more, a little bit more than that?
Yeah, maybe 1 more.
Okay, guys, the soup is almost done. I guess we're going to all eat it and enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, it is a very healthy soup for you to make, and I think my grandchildren are going to like it, and they're going to start making it for me from now on. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel, and anytime I'd love to hear your feedback. Tell me what you think of the stuff I do. Okay? Bye now.
Bye.